In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your iPhone from overheating. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few different methods you can stop your iPhone from overheating, and it can work on really just any iPhone. The very first thing I would recommend, and the simplest thing, is swiping upwards on your iPhone, and then once you do, it's going to show up all the apps that you currently have open. And as you can see, I already have 4 apps. I have Reminders, Clock, App Store, and Photos. But some people have 20, 30, 40 applications open at one time. And that's just going to mean they're always running in the background, which is obviously not what you want. And that's going to have your phone overheating a lot. So what you want to do is just swipe out of anything that you're not currently using. Anytime you want to open it again, you can just open it again, but there's no point always having it running in the background. Then what you want to do is you want to head on over to your settings application. Once you're here, scroll down until you find general, which is right under battery. Scroll down again until you find background app refresh, and you want to make sure that this is off. What background app refresh basically does is allow apps to refresh their content when on Wi-Fi or a mobile network in the background. Turning off apps may help preserve battery life. So you want to make sure that this is completely off. It's always worth doing because none of your apps really need to be running in the background. Anytime you need to use them, you can just simply open them. The next thing I would recommend doing is going back to settings, scrolling up a bit and going to battery, which is right above general. Once you're in battery, you can obviously have your battery percentage, but you can also turn on low power mode. Now what low power mode basically does is it temporarily reduces background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. It's a lot better of a method to preserve a lot of battery life, but because there's less things running in the background, it also prevents overheating a lot better compared to if you didn't have this on. Now bear in mind, if you are on 120 hertz and you switch on low power mode, you're going to be on 60 hertz. So for the time that you're on low power mode, your screen is going to be a little less smooth, but it's definitely worth having, especially if your iPhone is overheating due to temperatures or a lot of different applications open on your phone or anything like that.